Madam, code ako dito formal. Double lining. Medium large, code formal, 280. Formal, 280. Alinen na white, okay po. Pahinga ako nung kay Shine Tupan. Cancel daw yung white niya. Yung, ano ba? Okay. Ito mga madam, flex ko, linen po ito mga miha. Okay, this one is linen na, na white, napaka-nice. Garterize po siya ha, medium large. Okay, code ako cancel 280. Cancel 280 medium large. Code cancel 280. DL formal. Algin, yours na si formal. Double lock. Miss Algin, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours na to. Miss Algin. Second sa double lock si Madam Edlin. Miss Edlin. Okay, next one is another green. Brand new, small med, size 8 on tag. Brand new by Atmos and here, very, very pretty. Tapos open back. Small medium yan ha. Code ako open back, 280. Brand new with tag. Small medium, open back, 280. Okay, cancel. Kanino to? Madam Miss Ja Official. Miss Ja Official, new minor ba? Miss Ja, new minor ba kita? Okay, Miss Ja Official, ma'am, yours na si cancel, ha? Wait lang, mag-message ako sa'yo, ma'am, ha? Kasi we need down payment po for new minors, ha? Miss Ja Official, wait lang. At least 300, ma'am, ha? Thank you. At least 300. Wait ko na lang yung down payment mo, ma'am. Okay, next one is 7 Wonders. This one is best fit up to large, mga madam. Ang ganda ng tela po, ha? Branded by 7 Wonders. Best fit up to large. Napakaganda ng tela, mga ma'ams. Pwede kayo mag-tube. Ayan, sky blue color. Code ako ng 7280. Mahal ang 7 Wonders, ha? Mahal ang 7 Wonders, mga madam. Okay, next. This one is medium on tag. Here comes the sun. May sinandiyan ko. Adjustable strap. Full smock yung palda. Medium on tag. Zipper back po. Napakaganda. Ang ganda. Code ako dito sexy. 280 medium on tag. Code is sexy. Medium on tag, mga madam. Code sexy. Okay, next. This one is branded by Vero Moda. Okay, XS on tag pero carry to ng medium, button down siya. Small, medium, best fit, mga madam. Satin silk yung tela, ha. Code is Moda 280. Moda 280 pesos. Michelle, yours is sexy. Michelle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours na to. No cancellation, Michelle, after live po, ha. Salamat. Ay, Diniel. Okay, Shine, yours na si sexy, mahal, ha? Shine, yours na to. Shine, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours na. Okay, 7, Musmonet, Abugaw. Miss Monet, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours na to, Miss Monet, Abugaw. Okay, next. Pa-heart ako, mga bakla. Go. Habang waiting sa awarding. Ganun. Ay, shit. Ang ganda nito. This one is brand new by Princess Polly, mga moms. May bakal yan, ha. Kaya lang, small lang to. Best fit small. Ang ganda-ganda pa naman, oh. Small semi-med actually kasi zipper back. Again, branded by Princess Polly. Code ako Princess, ha. Princess, small semi-med, zipper back. Princess, 280. Princess, 280 pesos. Code is Princess. Okay, next. Another branded by Anko, mga bakla. Medium large to.